Good evening, everyone. Just a quick update here. I walked over to the orchard today, and like last year, I fully expected to see all my peaches on the ground. I haven't been over here in about a week, and they were doing well before, and I had sprayed them with some of the copper sulfate solution, which works really well as an antifungal, antibacterial agent on trees, garden, whatever. Anyway, I walked over here and check this out. Now the tree looks kind of sickly still, and I need to spray it again, but look, we've got peaches, and it is mid-May, which is the right time to pick certain varieties of peaches. Now, I do not know what type of peach tree this is because I didn't plant it. It was here when I moved here. But these peaches look pretty darn good, and they smell pretty darn good, and I don't want anything to happen to them. They're a little hard. I may pick half of them, ripen them in the house, you know, put them in a bag, so on and so forth, and let the other half sit out here. But I do see, oh, check this out. I do see, here we go, right there. Now that one looks like it had a little bit of brown rot and then probably got eaten by some birds. But there's one other like that too, and it is up there. I don't know if you can see it. That brown rot was pretty nasty last year. Took out every single one of our peaches. And this year, I think we're going to be able to pick and eat some of these. So super excited. Now, are you excited for peaches, Ariel?
Yeah!
Yeah. You want to pick this one over here?
What one?
This one right here. This one right there.
Okay.
Can you twist it? Twist it.
Okay.
All right. Twist it. Oh, there you go. Great job. We'll take that into mommy, okay?
Uh-huh.
Yeah?
If you pick another peach, if you think it's ripe.
Okay.
Like strawberries.
All right, we'll pick some of those ones we think are ripe and we'll take them in. And we'll get some strawberries too.
Yeah.
And some blackberries. Sound good?
Yeah.
All right, thanks for watching, everyone. We're so excited to have some peaches this year, at least off one tree. Of course, our other trees are still, it's only a year and a half old, so they've got a couple of years before they can produce properly. And that's about it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video and see if any of these other peaches survive. Have a great day. Talk to you later. Bye.
Bye. And give you a thumbs up too.
Oh yeah, give thumbs up, and what else? Subscribe?
Subscribe your channel too.
Yeah, subscribe to the channel. Thanks. Bye.
Bye.